Hey guys, I wanted to pop in and do a bit of an unboxing. I have a kit from Color Rush Studio that I just got in, and it's called Color Happiness from September 2025. And I did not get this kit because I was on hiatus when it came out. So let me show you the things. I'm going to move my tea over, move the extra goodies over. So I believe this is the main kit. And these are exclusive designs, which are so fancy. You guys, look, it's like a mountain with sky and then this cool, like black and white, such a strong, ooh, I don't know if any of these are doubles either. And it's like a super strong graphic vibe on the bottom. And then this is like buttercup yellow and white with colorful bubbles. How cute is that? Okay. Now this one, like I said, we're just gonna see if there's doubles or how it goes. I have no idea. This one, we've got this repeating floral with a bit of a pumpkin-y orange. Oh, and then we have rainbows and plaid. Oh, this is cool. Okay. Our next one has big, giant stars that want to be fussy cut out. They just do, they told me, on a tone-on-tone blue background. And then a nice repeating kind of like, it's a little bit towards teal and it looks like tiles. Cool. Now I have got like a Vans pattern with drippy bits, a little bit of mixed media here and there. Oh, and then big old happy smileys. That is hilarious. So background is super graphic. There's all kinds of scribbly stuff. This would be so great in an art journal. Yum. And then mixed media, like packaging looking technique behind it. Oh, and now this one looks like a double. So it's the same one. So I get to go like that. And then I see that this one is a double of the first one I showed you. Let me separate with the mountains. So I can have the mountains stick out over here. I'm gonna have them stick out a little bit because I think they are so cool. Okay, now this one's new. So we've got a nice grid, but then you have all of these circle bits and they're wonky. They're not like perfect circles. And then the flip side, it is a rainbow plaid. And that's pretty tight plaid too. Cute. Maybe I should go like that because I'll be covering a lot. So now we have a diagonal plaid and I love the aqua and the hot pink really being the forward colors. Oh, it's the same as this one. How did I not show? Wait, is that one different? Oh, it has a different background than this one. Oh, I love when she does that. Okay. Oh my Lanta. So this one has this geometric bear. It looks like sky and there's like, it's like variegated sky. And we've got that cool black and white on the bottom and hearts. Ooh, oh, the ideas. Okay, now we have a herringbone and a really nice turquoisey color, tone on tone, and super graphic black and white with lots of splatters. Cool, okay. And then we've got green and white polka dots. And then this is this pattern that we saw here and here. Got it? But we have a nice greens and there's green here. So it's bringing that color everywhere. And then that pattern I like so much with the stars is this with stars on the back. So bright, happy, cheerful, and just like in your face, which I love. Then I've got two alphas. So this is Freckled Fawn and I believe this is Freckled Fawn. So we've got this really nice smaller yellow. They're all caps. Little bit of punctuation down here and numerics. And these are a little chunkier. And you guys, they're all puffies, which thank you. Love a puffy. And they are all alphas. So we've got that. Okay. Oh, this is cute. So we have two shakers. We've got blue and yellow, and then there's a moon. Cool. Did you stick those little suckers on? The moon is so squishy. Okay, we have that. And then, oh, this is a really good addition. So this is charcoaly and white. It's washi, which is awesome because it's bringing in that, like, the bold graphics. Same with this right here. We've got arrows and a couple of fishtail banners. See? Fishtail banners. So I know it's not a really long video, but I wanted to share these cool things because I'm using Color Rush Studio kits from 2025 for Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches. And this came in after I filmed the video, even though this is probably gonna come out before that video. Whatever, that's how things go. So love it. I think it is bright and fun and a wonderful addition for my crafting plans for June. So I will be getting into this before you know it. And guys, oh, I'll have my affiliate link down below if you want to get your hands on Color Rush Studio kits. I get it if you're not into the affiliate thing. If you are not, then just go to colorrushstudio.com and you're good. If you do like the affiliate life, then go ahead and click down below. There's also a coupon and it lets them know I sent you. Okay, that's my PSA. And I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends. Hey, guys, I just got a goodie package in, and I thought I would share it with you. I thought I'd pop this on the back of my other haul video since I got 2 different shipments from Color Rush Studio. So I ended up getting lots of bits and pieces, which I am totally here for because they have these great add-ons. They have great acrylics. They have acrylic kits, all kinds of things. So the very first thing, you guys, look at, these are balloons, and there's 2 pink and 2 in this. It's between blue and heading into periwinkle. Look at, they're squishy. So I've got some squishies in balloons, and that is going to end up being so cute. I can already see it with like tracing around them with a couple of different pattern papers and creating a whole thing. You guys, I started looking through things, so I undid a little bit of my packaging. I did. But she packages with these cute little different fabric pieces that you can use in your crafty time. So acrylic piece, Sweet Summer. Look at the 2 different fonts, so cute. And then the backside, look at this. Oh my gosh. The backside of these goodies, I have got these sunglasses with the little inserts, right? And then these sunglasses, but you can put the white in the blue and then the blue in the white. It'll be so cute. I have the center of the little sun that she included, so I'll definitely use that on something. And then this one reads Live in Color, and the eye will be a little heart. And I've got a matching acrylic star. And super cool. And Stay Shady, which is so cute for summer. I've got one that reads Family Fun. I love the acrylics. It's, thank you. Dream Big. I need to put my little acrylics little area over here. The Good Times, because these are the good old days, y'all. They are. We're in the middle of them. Okay, do I have more acrylics? Let me just show you all of my acrylic goodies first. This one is Sunny Days. And Sun Babe. Then I've got Woohoo with a little exclamation point, like hot pink. And then look at these carousel horses. How cool is that? Cute. Then I have all kinds of pieces, all kinds. So let me show you this acrylic kit. So many things are in here. So I have Choose Hope in my very favorite color. Love that. And this piece is also the same color. Love Grows Here. I have got a postage stamp butterfly, as well as You and Me in white. Bloom with another little postage stamp that is gorgeous. And a postage stamp in that minty, sea foamy happiness color. Aqua, call it what you will. Love it. So that's a whole acrylic kit, which is gorgeousness. Just pretty, pretty, pretty. Get in there. Then, for more squishies, I've got some bunny heads. You guys, I'm going to only take out one so you can kind of get the scale and all that. But look at, they're fuzzy. They have fuzz fuzz. And they are squishy. So I am pro squish. I'm just so tactile that I really enjoy using things that make your fingers want to play with it a little bit. I have got these gorgeous stars here and here. This one is flipped around now. This is not a white one, I don't think. I think they're all fuzzy. Hold on. And I know it's crinkling, but crinkling just doesn't bother me. How am I going to show you guys? There we go. Okay, so, ooh, those are soft. It's a really pretty gray. So navy, black, gray, pale blue, and then these that are neutrals with a mustard tone. You guys, look at these. These are foamy, and they are popsicles. Cute. I love the red, white, and blue one for the holidays coming up. We already saw these. I had these were tied on a couple of my pieces, but I got so excited when I was looking. I had an issue. And then I've got this. So I think this goes to this one kit that I have. I think that's what it is that we're dealing with, that I just showed you guys. But look at this, guys. Oh, look at the saturation. The saturation. So, you know, the kit in the beginning of the video. Handmade with love. Faith over fear. We've got like little Vans prints. Stained glass butterfly. Same thing for this polar bear. Oh my gosh, spray paint. Stop it. Look at the spray paint. We've got emojis. And they're cute. And here's a black and white one. So there's so many pieces, guys. Peace signs. Big moments. I have got this fox. You can do it. More spray paint. Loving it. Loving it. So many great little pieces are in here. What's this one? Stay colorful. Little hearts. Very bold graphic look. More emojis, smiley faces. And then paintbrush. Adventure. Create your life. Create every day. Super duper. We have got a fox again, more smileys. So those are the die cuts that I was waiting on. And then I've got more frazzles and ribbons. So I've got this gorgeous minty, black and white, this pretty lilac, and then black and white again. It's so pretty. So I just wanted to add this on so you can see these different like bits and pieces you can also pick up. So guys, I'm going to see you ever so soon with another video. And my affiliate link will be down below. Bye, guys.